A comprehensive step-by-step guide that has helped over 5,000 students land their dream careers. This presentation offers data-driven, actionable strategies tailored specifically for new graduates entering the job market. The 2025 job market presents distinctive opportunities for entry-level candidates. Hybrid and remote work models have become standard offerings. Tech-focused roles continue expanding across all industries. Top firms report a 27% increase in campus hiring, 2025 survey. Most promising sectors: information technology, finance, healthcare, and renewable energy. Companies are adapting their recruitment strategies to attract fresh talent with digital skills and adaptability. Extreme competition. Each open position receives an average of 150+ applications, making it crucial to stand out from the crowd. The experience paradox. Most entry-level positions paradoxically require prior experience, creating a difficult barrier for new graduates. Evolving application processes. 2025 has brought significant changes to how companies screen candidates, including AI-based resume screening and video interviews. Research shows that 83% of successful candidates had clearly defined career goals before beginning their job search. Self-assessment. Conduct an honest assessment of your strengths, weaknesses, and passions. Utilize career assessment tools and personality tests for objective insights. Market research. Identify specific fields and industries that align with your interests and education. Research in-demand roles and growth opportunities in your target sectors. Goal setting. Create specific, achievable career objectives with clear timelines. Develop both short-term and long-term goals that will guide your job search strategy. Digital literacy. Basic AI understanding and digital tool proficiency required across all industries. Soft skills. 64% of recruiters prioritize communication, adaptability, and collaboration. In-demand certifications. Google Data Analytics, AWS, Microsoft Excel, and industry-specific credentials. Problem solving. Creative thinking and analytical reasoning across contexts. Professional email address. Create a dedicated email using firstname.lastname@gmail.com format. Avoid quirky or personal addresses that can create negative first impressions. Social media audit. Over 70% of employers check candidates' social media. Remove inappropriate content, adjust privacy settings, and ensure profiles present a professional image. Personal value statement. Craft a concise 30-second pitch explaining your skills, experience, and career objectives, essential for networking and interviews. Resume essentials. Choose a modern, ATS-friendly template with clean design. Emphasize relevant skills and campus/volunteer experience. Use action verbs and quantifiable achievements. Keep to one-page maximum for entry-level positions. Save as PDF with professional file name, firstname_lastname_assume.pdf. Example: organized campus tech conference with 300+ attendees is more impactful than helped with campus events. Lengthy or generic content. Recruiters spend an average of 6 to 7 seconds scanning each resume. Keep content concise, relevant, and tailored to the specific role. Generic resumes are quickly dismissed. Missing keywords. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, that filter resumes based on keywords. Analyze each job description and incorporate relevant terms to pass initial screening. Poor formatting and errors. Complex designs can confuse ATS systems. Stick to simple, professional templates, and always proofread for typos. Even minor errors suggest carelessness to employers. With 90% of recruiters using LinkedIn for hiring, your profile serves as your digital professional brand. Professional headshot increases profile views by 14x. Compelling headline that goes beyond just student or graduate. Detailed education section with relevant coursework and achievements. Comprehensive skills section with industry-specific keywords. Featured projects, volunteer work, and certifications. A complete LinkedIn profile increases your chances of being discovered by recruiters by up to 40%. Keyword optimization. Research and incorporate relevant industry keywords throughout your profile, especially in your About section and experience descriptions. This improves your visibility in recruiter searches. Strategic networking. Join 3 to 5 industry-specific groups, follow target companies, and engage with relevant content. Comment thoughtfully on industry posts to increase visibility among professionals. Social proof. Request skill endorsements from professors, internship supervisors, and classmates. Aim for 3 to 5 detailed recommendations that highlight your strengths and work ethic. Major job boards. Indeed, Naukri, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor remain the primary platforms for job listings. Create accounts on each and set up saved searches with specific filters for entry-level positions. College resources. Your university's job portal often features positions specifically seeking graduates from your institution. These listings typically have less competition than public job boards. Company career pages. Many companies post openings on their websites before listing them publicly. Create a list of 15 to 20 target companies and check their career pages weekly for new opportunities. Create a structured routine. Establish a daily or weekly job search schedule with specific goals. Set aside dedicated time blocks for searching and applying. Target 5 to 7 quality applications per week rather than mass applying. Schedule different activities: searching, applying, networking, skill building. Track your progress. Maintain a detailed spreadsheet with company name, position, application date, contact information and follow-up dates, status updates and interview notes. Referral success. Percentage of entry-level positions filled through referrals according to 2025 hiring data. Network engagement. Percentage of positions filled through networking that are never publicly advertised. Application boost. How much more likely you are to get an interview with a referral than through a cold application. Sample networking message: Hi, name, I'm a graduating student in, field, interested in, company/industry. I admire your work in, specific area, and would appreciate 15 minutes of your time to learn about your career path. Would you be available for a brief virtual coffee chat next week? Most students underutilize valuable university resources that can significantly enhance job prospects. Career Services Center. Take advantage of one-on-one coaching, resume reviews, mock interviews, and career assessments, services you've already paid for through tuition. Campus recruitment events. Attend all job fairs and company presentations, even as a freshman or sophomore, to build relationships early. Alumni networks. Connect with graduates working in your target field for mentorship, advice, and potential referrals. Internships. Even short-term or virtual internships provide valuable industry experience and potential references. Apply for summer, winter, and part-time opportunities. Freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to build a portfolio and client relationships in fields like writing, design, programming, and marketing. Volunteer leadership. 22% of employers count project work and volunteer leadership as equivalent to paid experience when evaluating entry-level candidates. Online learning platforms. Coursera partners with top universities for certified courses. edX, professional certificates from Harvard, MIT, etc. Khan Academy, fundamental skills in math, science, programming. YouTube tutorials, practical skills in software, design, business. Corporate and government programs. Google Digital Skills for Africa. Microsoft Learn Platform. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Government Digital Upskilling Initiatives. Pro tip: focus on completing 1 to 2 high-quality certifications rather than accumulating multiple partial courses. Cover letter structure. Opening, attention-grabbing achievement or statement of passion. Middle, 2 to 3 paragraphs connecting your skills to job requirements. Closing, call to action and expression of enthusiasm. Keep it concise, 3 to 4 paragraphs maximum, never more than 1 page. Personalization strategies. Research company values and recent projects. Name specific team members or departments. Reference recent company achievements. Explain why this specific role interests you. Customize materials. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application, highlighting the most relevant skills and experiences for that specific role. Complete all requirements. Fully address all application components including portfolios, assessments, video questions, and reference requests. Follow up appropriately. Send a brief, professional follow-up email or LinkedIn message 5 to 7 days after application if you haven't received a response. Sample follow-up. I'm writing to express my continued interest in the position, role at, company. I'm particularly excited about the opportunity to contribute to specific project/goal. I'd be happy to provide any additional information to support my application. Research. Thoroughly investigate the company's products, values, recent news, and leadership team. Review the job description and identify key requirements. Practice. Rehearse answers to common questions like, tell me about yourself and why this company? Use the STAR method for behavioral questions. Prepare questions. Develop 3 to 5 thoughtful questions about the role, team culture, and growth opportunities that demonstrate your interest and research. Follow up. Send a personalized thank you email within 24 hours that references specific discussion points from the interview. The STAR method: situation, set the scene, task, describe your responsibility, action, explain what you did, result, share the outcome with metrics when possible. With 61% of entry-level roles using remote hiring processes in 2025, mastering the virtual interview is essential. Technical preparation. Test all equipment 24 hours before: camera, microphone, internet. Position camera at eye level for natural engagement. Ensure proper lighting from the front, not behind you. Use a neutral, professional background or subtle virtual background. Professional presence. Dress professionally from head to toe, in case you need to stand. Eliminate background noises and potential interruptions. Maintain eye contact by looking at the camera, not the screen. Research market rates. Use Glassdoor, PayScale, and industry reports to determine average compensation for your role, location, and education level. This data provides credibility during negotiations. Consider the full package. Evaluate benefits beyond salary, health insurance, retirement contributions, training budgets, flexible work arrangements, and career advancement opportunities. Professional approach. Express appreciation for the offer before discussing compensation. Frame requests in terms of mutual benefit and your commitment to delivering value to the organization. Even as a fresher, polite negotiation is expected. If salary flexibility is limited, consider requesting additional training, mentorship, or performance reviews. Request constructive feedback. After receiving a rejection, send a brief, professional message thanking the interviewer and requesting specific feedback for improvement. Sample message: thank you for considering my application. While I'm disappointed, I'm committed to improving. Would you be willing to share any feedback that could help me strengthen future applications? Maintain resilience. Remember that 56% of successful candidates applied to more than 20 positions before securing their first job. Each rejection provides valuable experience for future interviews. Continue building your profile. Add new projects to your portfolio. Obtain additional certifications. Expand your professional network. Priya's journey to tech. As a non-computer science graduate, Priya faced rejections from tech companies. She completed Google's data analytics certification, participated in 3 hackathons, and built a portfolio of projects. After 28 applications, she secured a junior developer role at a fintech startup. Amit's biology to business path. Amit, a biology graduate, struggled to find research positions. He leveraged his university's alumni network, connecting with 15 professionals in the pharmaceutical industry. A casual coffee meeting led to a referral, resulting in a pharmaceutical analyst position. These are just two examples from over 5,000 students who successfully landed their first jobs in 2024 to 2025 using the strategies outlined in this presentation. Resume resources. ATS-friendly templates optimized for 2025 hiring algorithms. Field-specific keyword libraries for different industries. Action verb lists to strengthen achievement descriptions. Application trackers. Customizable spreadsheet templates for organizing applications. Follow-up scheduling tools with reminder functions. Contact management systems for networking connections. LinkedIn optimization. Headline formula templates for freshers. About section frameworks that attract recruiter attention. Connection request templates for effective networking. Example headline formula: degree, plus, specialization, plus seeking, target role, key skill, plus, key skill. Embrace flexibility and continuous learning. The most successful job seekers remain adaptable, willing to consider adjacent roles and industries while continuously developing new skills relevant to their target field. Trust the process. This data-backed approach has helped over 5,000 students secure their first professional roles. Each application and interview builds valuable experience that contributes to your eventual success. Start today. Begin with one small action: updating your LinkedIn profile, researching target companies, or scheduling a meeting with your university's career center. Consistent effort compounds into significant results.